Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name is Holden Blaze, and today we're going to be talking about a meme coin that I think has a ton of potential for this coming bull market. In the beginning of 2024, we've seen multiple meme coins pop off in evaluations as retail is coming back into this space, and a lot of retail traders do not honestly know much about cryptocurrency, and they would rather buy into a meme that they are familiar with rather than a token that actually has utility. I myself like to invest into projects that actually have utility within the crypto or Web3 ecosystem. However, I do believe meme coins deserve a place in my portfolio. For that reason, I do have a couple meme coins in my portfolio, and my largest position is Turbo. Turbo is a cryptocurrency that is much smaller than some of the largest meme coins in the space. We can see at the moment the market cap of all meme coins is around $69 billion. Nice. And that is heavily carried by Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. We've seen projects like WIF and Pepe fly up the charts and are currently sitting above $3 billion in evaluation. We were talking about Pepe when it was around $500,000, and Turbo is much smaller than that. If Turbo was to do a 10x, it would still be worth less than $500 million and would currently have to do a 70x just to reach the market cap of Dog With Hat. I personally think that WIF and Pepe have a lot more upside this bull market, and I do think Turbo is in a great position to capture some of the money that flows into meme coins. Right now, it is ranked 690 on CoinMarketCap, and it is below a lot of different meme coins. To me, that's honestly a benefit because it shows that there's even more multipliers to be had if this project works out, and the tokenomics are looking pretty good. 92% of the total supply is circulating, and the founder himself did not allocate a huge supply to him. Yes, he does hold some of these tokens. However, he really doesn't have enough to rug the project completely, and there is a very strong community behind this project. That is because the founder, Rhett Mankind, created this project as an art project. Rhett Mankind is really just a digital artist and wanted to experiment with AI and its capabilities within crypto. And by going back and forth with ChatGPT, he was able to create the first meme coin created by AI. That means Turbo is an AI coin as well. AI is probably the hottest sector in both the stock and crypto markets right now. Everyone wants projects that are related to artificial intelligence. And while Turbo here does not provide any direct utility in the AI space, like something like Render, it is attached to AI, and it's also known as a meme coin. I think this is great because the AI sector is set to explode for the coming year, and for investors who are feeling like they missed out on Nvidia and Render, they're going to look for more speculative plays, and some of that money will trickle down to Turbo. I personally think because of that, Turbo will see a moment where it is worth over $1 billion in evaluation. That is roughly a 20x from these levels. However, if that happens, we need to know it would still be 1/3 of the size of WIF. A 20x on Turbo is honestly pretty conservative. If this project plays out and is listed on major exchanges such as Binance and Coinbase, we can see the amount of holders of this project absolutely skyrocket and price will follow. Right now, we have to note that there's only around 17,000 holders of Turbo, which is quite small comparing this to WIF. WIF has roughly 69,000 holders and has experienced a ton of growth within the past couple of months. That is the thing with meme coins. They don't do much for a long period of time, and then all of a sudden they move upwards in a very dramatic fashion. Turbo has done this multiple times, and while the all-time chart looks a little iffy, if you go to the market cap chart, it's hard to argue that this is not a pronounced bull trend, and it's honestly a super bullish chart. We've seen a nice retracement from this run up we experienced a few weeks ago, and honestly, below $50 million in market cap, I will continue to accumulate Turbo. Once prices go above that level, I will not accumulate any more Turbo. However, it is a meme coin that I think has a ton of potential. They are active on X, maybe not as much as I would honestly like. However, because Rhett Mankind is so into digital art, he's been turning Turbo into a platform where digital artists can share their artwork. This really just builds the community, and if I was to describe the Turbo community in one word, it would be wholesome. This is a word that I would definitely not describe other meme projects. The communities of Pepe and Defrogs, while they are strong, definitely have a toxic aspect to them in some moments, and I really think Turbo is a very wholesome community. There's a lot of artists and digital artists who are interested in AI in this Turbo community, and if you haven't done so already, I would watch Rhett Mankind's video right here of how he initially created Turbo. He gets emotional in this video and highlights some of his family's financial struggles, and he's really wholesome in the whole video. He seems like a super genuine guy. He's not trying to hide anything. He's not trying to rug his community, and I think he honestly wants the best for this Turbo Toad token. If we go to Turbo's website, we can see it has seen an update from the last time I covered it. It states right here that it's created with ChatGPT-4 with a budget of only $69. This is honestly just a great recipe for a meme in 2024, if you ask me, and I do think Turbo is being overlooked by many. A lot of people are trying to hop into Pepe or Whiff, and in my opinion, the window of opportunity for those projects has kind of already closed. For Turbo, however, I really like the risk reward because we are at a market cap where we can still see a ton of multipliers with it, and we're not buying at the top of a project, providing liquidity for early investors. As a whole, if I was to do a price prediction on Turbo, I do think it will hit the 1 cent mark. That would put it under $1 billion still, but would be a nice multiplier gain. Again, if Turbo was to reach the current market cap of Pepe, it would be at roughly 5 cents. I think 5 cents is a nice sell target for Turbo. I will definitely be taking some profits on that. However, we do need to note that the ceiling for meme coins is a lot higher than what we're at right now. Even something like Sheeb, which has run up a ton in price recently, is sitting at a market cap of roughly $18 billion. That is very hefty. However, its all-time high market cap was over 2x that level. I personally do not think Turbo will hit $18 billion in evaluation. However, I think on the high end, it could hit around $9 billion. People will be eyeing that $10 billion price target, and I could see Turbo topping out around 12 or 13 cents. That would still be over a 100x from these levels, and I do think Turbo is one of the few cryptocurrencies that can still offer that amount of gains. Again, this is highly speculative. It is a meme coin, which is inherently worth absolutely nothing. However, it is an ERC token, and it is going to be easy for exchanges to list this cryptocurrency in the future. Easier for Binance and Coinbase to list a project like Turbo than a project like Kaspa, and for that reason, we could see a lot of retail adoption, especially if the AI hype keeps going. Again, this is not financial advice, this is just my own opinions, and I would love to hear your opinions down in the comments section below. If you want to watch some more videos around my channel, check out this content right here. I hope you all have a great day. Peace out.